Do you want to get featured on BBC, on CNN, or other big news sites for free? Now, in this video, I want to share with you a really powerful strategy that you can use to get your name out there for free. And this one is called Newsjacking. I learned this from a book called Newsjacking. That one's so great and so affordable, so I recommend you to get that book, right? So here's how it works, right? So in the past, if something happens, those journalists, they would want to write a report. They either call an expert or they would try to go on a street to ask people's opinion about that, right? But nowadays, because of internet, right, so they will sometimes go online to search for people's opinion. So if you can publish a content real time, like by the time the things happened, guess what? Yeah, you may get found. And if the content is great, if that's newsworthy, you may get featured, you may get quoted by those journalists. So here's how it works, right? So let's say that there's some event happened here, right? So this happens, and you know this is going to go viral, so you're going to create a piece of content. So maybe you publish here, right? So then you get it ranked on Google or on YouTube. And by the time those journalists, they try to search for material to write the content, write a report, and they found your content and they see, wow, you were commenting on the event, it was so great. And they may want to quote you in their report. So as long as they quote you, guess what? Yeah, you get featured on those newsletters. You get featured on those reports. And that's the power of that. So let's say that you are in a weight loss niche, or you are some weight loss coach, right? And if there's someone who tries the wrong way to lose weight and they died, and you can write an articles about why that happens and how to prevent that to happen again, right? So right now you are using the event as a keyword, then you comment on the event, and if you get found by those journalists, they will say, hey, this thing happens, and there's some experts, they say something. So that's how you get featured on those newsletters. You come out as an expert of that field, right? So, and the beauty of this system is that as long as those journalists, they see your content again and again, they see, wow, this guy is so great. Instead of searching online, sometimes they would just send you an email, ask you to write an opinion about that. So that's the beauty of newsjacking. You can become the go-to expert of those journalists. So that is how you can use newsjacking to build your brand. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.